Hello, this is Carrie Bloom, and this is my PowerPoint presentation for my candy bar company, Sweet Hippie. My candy bar name is Boho Bark, and this is for Marketing Principles Spring 2019. Part 1, Company Name and Mission Statement. My corporation name is Sweet Hippie, and I chose this because I like the idea of a hippie and what it entails as far as being natural and getting back to the basics and back to earth. So I thought that would work well with my mission statement, which is to provide indulgent treat options for those with diet restrictions. A lot of times with people with diet restrictions, they need to eat things that are more healthy and whole foods and natural. So that goes along with being a hippie. Part 2, Primary Target Market. The age range would be 21 to 35. The age generational name would be Gen Z. The income level would be middle. The geographic location for product rollout would be central Wisconsin, which is where I live, so it's something that I'm familiar with, and that's why I chose this area. The lifestyle would be a healthy lifestyle. Part 3, Product Name. My candy bar name is Boho Bark, and I chose this because when I think of a hippie, I also think of a bohemian type person, and those, being in the woods and trees and bark made sense. The main ingredients would be all organic ingredients, starting with cacao powder, sugar-free peanut butter, coconut oil, stevia extract, raw nuts, and Himalayan sea salt. And the ounces would be 2 ounces. Part 4, Product Pricing. The cost of production to the manufacturer is 95 cents per bar. The wholesale cost to retailer is $1.45 per bar. My profit as a manufacturer would be 50 cents or 34%. Suggested retail price per bar to consumer is $2, and retailer profit dollars and percentage based on SRP is 55 cents or 37%. Part 5, Competition. Competitor number 1 is Russell Stover sugar-free peanut butter cups, which I love and I eat all the time. Main ingredients are chocolate, peanut butter, and stevia. Price per bar, $2.69. How my bar is different from this competitor. My bar is a bark more than a candy bar, and it's thinner and it has nuts and Himalayan sea salt, and you can break it into whatever size pieces you want, small or large. Sold in which retail store in your geographic rollout area. While Russell Stover's sells their candy in grocery stores and gas stations that I've seen. Competitor number 2, Lily's Sweets, stevia sweetened caramelized and salted milk chocolate bar. Main ingredients, chocolate, caramel, stevia, and salt. How my bar is different from this competitor. Well, again, my bar is a bark, not a bar, and it's thinner and it has nuts with no caramel. And it sold in which retail stores in your geographic rollout area? Well, it's sold in organic sections of the grocery stores or in health food markets. Part 6, Place Distribution. Where will consumers buy it? Specific retail stores where target markets shop and where products will be initially sold, and describe how they match the geographic location and are specific to where the target market shops. Retail outlet number 1, Quick Trip. These stores are located throughout central Wisconsin and they make my product easily accessible. Retail outlet number 2, Festival Foods. Festival offers a wide range of organic products, which is what my target market is seeking out. Part 7, SWOT analysis, differential advantage. My internal strengths. Number 1, one internal strength is that my candy bar is sugar-free. My second internal strength would be that my candy bar is made with only organic ingredients that have health benefits. Internal weaknesses. Number one weakness I would have would be to create a shelf-stable candy bar without preservatives. Number two, the cost of sourcing organic ingredients can be challenging. External opportunity. A recent trend in the candy bar industry is, and see the link below, you can see an article about stevia. This would be an opportunity for my business because my treat will be made with stevia extract and people are continuing to seek out healthier alternatives to sugar without turning to artificial sources. Number two, I would be taking advantage of the fact there currently is not a large selection of healthy sugar-free treats. An external threat. People are addicted to sugar. Number two, people are afraid to try sugar-free because they believe it won't taste as good without sugar. Part 8, promotion. Slogan, tagline that identifies a main benefit of your candy bar. My slogan is, just because you can't have sugar doesn't mean you don't deserve something sweet. And this definitely can attract people that cannot have sugar into trying something, splurging, rewarding themselves for a job well done. Part 9, promotion. How will you reach your consumers? A, media used that your target market uses. Magazine names, health, women's health, and men's health. Newspaper names, Marshfield News Herald, Wausau Daily Herald. Names of TV shows, Dr. Oz and Dancing with the Stars. Social media, Facebook and Instagram. B, consumer promotions. Types of coupons I would have. 50 cents off in-store redemption coupon. Contests. With every purchase, you are eligible to enter to win a $50 Visa gift card. Sales I would have. Buy one, get one half off scanner delivered discount. Displays. I would have in-store displays with coupons for buy one, get one half off. Others I would choose. A 5% mail-in rebate. C, trade promotions to retailers. Allowances, up to 25% off invoice allowance. Trade show convention. A health food expo would reach a majority of my target market. I could sell merchandise and give samples. Ad co-op money. I would pay a portion of the ad fees for festival food newspaper insert. Part 10, product package. Here you'll see my candy bar wrapper, and I chose this because I think that it's natural. It's has the VW, which is the quintessential hippie trademark, I consider. And I like that I'm able to see my slogan clearly at the bottom, and the back has the ingredients clearly labeled and the nutrition facts. And I hope you enjoy my PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much.